Alright guys, this is the new GLS 63 SUV in this gorgeous Manufaktur Mystic Blue. And here in the new GLS we can see the front is really powerful. Check out the new horizontal LED stars. And this car is really in luxury spec, so we don't have the night package like on the GLE. And this one is more luxurious with the chrome. Check this out here. Really looking absolutely luxurious. Also lower section here with the chrome instead of the darken. And these are the most high-end wheels which you can get on the GLS 63. This sort of new monoblock design, which is not monoblock because it's open. Check this out. Looks really interesting in a good way. 285/40, 23-inch. Of course V8 by turbo 4MATIC Plus. New engine, so this is the V8 flat plane. And this one puts out 612 horsepower. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the new flat plane. Before we had the cross plane. This one is the new one, ready for the emission standards Euro 7. 612 horsepower and 850 Newton meters of torque. One man, one engine. Check this out here, handcrafted, and new design of the engine cover. Really beautiful. Let me know what you think about this. And of course a FLAT-PLANE Beige here, as it's now the case for the AMG. So here from this angle we can see the presence is much stronger on the 63 and this V-shaped grille instead of the A-shape on the GLE. So this one is really, in terms of the luxury, strong one. And we will see interior as well. Let's take a look here for the wheels. 325/35, 23-inch, the largest one here. And check it out here from the back. Here we have the new tail lamps. Let's take a look at the tail lamps. So here we have the three Mercedes star tail lamps, GLS 63, and the chrome line. This can be also dark chrome, but here it's in chrome, and also squared exhaust pipes. Check these out. Really looking fly in this configuration, and so powerful. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. This is the new Macchiato beige, and of course carbon fiber. The new super screen display with MBOS. Of course you can open the sunroof. New Burmester system. Let's check this out. Piping really gorgeous with this brown, and it's looking really gorgeous here. Check this out. So this is what I absolutely love on the GLS. You can see the FLAT-PLANE here. Really gorgeous. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. You're sitting here, and here now I'm sitting here, and it is really this vibe for me. It's different than the Mercedes because of the steering wheel and just everything. You can see the AMG buttons. Everything is different here for the modes, and yeah, you can see the AMG ones. Yeah, really fantastic in this regard. And in the back, let's go ahead and check this out, because here we have the new screens like in the S-Class. So this is the S-Class of the SUVs with new animation also for the AMG. Check this out, and so much space here that this is what you want for the family as the ultimate luxury car. Also the tail lamps are connected here, so this is something what I truly love about the GLS 63. And check out, this is also 7-seater, so you have so much space for the family, and brutal V8. So this is what we want to see from the AMG. Of course, tow bar, everything is electric. So this is your family hauler with the V8. So I'm truly happy that this is going forward with the brand new V8. This means that it will stay here for many years to come. And this is what I appreciate about the AMGs. They are listening to the customers, and with this V8, this is prepared for so many years that it's truly stunning. And this is the new Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe, or Coupe. Let me know which pronunciation is better. But, so looking at it here, I think this is something what we truly appreciate about the AMG. They elevate even more the GLE 63S, now looking so nice and so powerful. With the new engine, we have lower emissions, and we kept the power the same, 612 horsepower. So we came here to look at this gorgeous engine, which is the new flat plane. So this is ready for the Euro 7. So don't worry about the Euro 7, because this engine is compliant for this. And I'm very happy to report this. So this is how it looks. Check this out. The new engine cover for the 4.0 liter, so 4 liter V8 bi-turbo, but now flat plane instead of the cross plane. Like previously, this is a flat plane. And it's more cultivated, let's say, more smooth and also more aggressive into the RPMs than the cross plane. Of course, it's a handcrafted. You can see the signature of a person. And check out this gorgeous, like a grille on the cover and the engine cover. And in the middle we have carbon fiber design. It does look really great, and I would say really smooth and like aggressive, this sort of design. So let you know what you think about this. Alright, so let's close the bonnet. Let's take a look at this new V8 bi-turbo flat plane. So this is the new engine for the GLE 63S Coupe, an SUV of course, and also for the GLS 63. But first, let's go ahead and check out this really amazing configuration, and let's talk about what is changed here on the 63, also compared to the 53. So at the front you can see that we have new A-shape AMG grille. In the night package too, this is darkened in dark chrome, and you can see the vertical slats for the AMG grille. The opening and front apron is different to the 53, so it's much more aggressive, and also you can see the night package, how it darkens the whole vehicle. Now in the sunshine it looks absolutely gorgeous here in the Manufaktur Ireland green, mid-Ireland green. Really gorgeous luxury green, I would say. But let's check out these LED lights. So these are the beautiful digital lights, which you know from the GLE Coupe of course, but here for the V8 they look so muscular. Check this out. And it is connected to the frame here with this black panel, but it is thinner than on the regular Mercedes-Benz version. And these look so muscular and so badass that I'm really surprised how these look in person. And also check out here, the Manufaktur crest is darkened as well. And AMG is in chrome. Check this out, the AMG logo shining brightly. Mercedes-Benz also in chrome, and it's looking so nice. Let me know what do you think about this. Then look at the mirrors here. They are gloss black everywhere with cameras here for assistance systems. The wheels can be black and also silver, and also take gold on the inside. Really gorgeous, like on the 53, the same can be found here. And look at this, how this looks from this angle. Absolutely top level. 63S. I really love this. On the 63. And also check out here the grab handles. They are in dark chrome, so this is different to the previous one. So this is really welcome change, and everything is blacked out here. In terms of the tire size, 325, 35, 22. On the GLS we have 23 inch, and here we have 285, 40, 22 inch. And from the back, check it out, this gorgeous Mercedes star in the tail lamps. And check out the graphics here, how this is looking. Mercedes-Benz. On the SUV we have this black panel connecting the tail lamps, but not on the coupe. On the coupe we have the body color, and in my opinion it truly looks more athletic without it, and sort of because it is lower to the ground, it looks, I would say, more sporty and more performancy, if you even can say this. So what do you think about this design? I truly find this so athletic and so nice in terms of the proportions. And this new GLE is looking even more aggressive. I cannot believe it, but the front is so much more powerful. Here in person looking at this, really something else in my opinion. In terms of the design in the back, you can see the lip here is not as big as you might think. Maybe it's similar actually as an AMG Plus on the regular one, maybe a little bit larger. And the AMG Night Package 2 darkens also the badging here, the emblems GLS 63S, and this is also dark chrome, and the exhaust pipes squared for the 63. Huge diffuser, check this out. So the diffuser is really huge on this 63S. It does look really powerful with these tail lamps, with the graphics. Check this out, really stunning. Also, here we have this beautiful AMG fuel filler cap, and you can see the data here. Top speed 280 km/h, 174 miles per hour.